Hi, it's Kelly with the product team. Today, I'm going to show you how to use our Color Selector within our website tools. Let's get started. Our Color Selector can be found throughout our tools, Slide Studio, Content Library, and the Editor. For this demo, we will show you how it works in the Content Library. Once there, select any of your About Message records. We are going to use our link glossary record. Now, let's change the color of some text in our copy section. Scroll down to the copy section and double-click on any word. Next, click the Auto or Color button. This opens our Color Selector. To change the color, all you have to do is simply click on any of the colors in the Color Selector, and this will change your text color. It's super easy. Next, I would like to walk you through all of the enhancements in this tool. First, you see a list of recent colors. These are the last 8 colors that have been used on your site in any of our Color Selector locations. Next, you can see the colors that are tied to your current website design, making it easy to connect the design colors with your content. As you scroll down, you will notice the brand compliant colors for the brands you sell. No more guessing which color is a brand color. And to add colors to the Color Selector, click More Colors. This section lets you add any color you want. You can drag the sliders to find your color or input the hex code. Once you have the color you want, simply click the Add button. This adds the new color to your Saved Colors section. Now click Done. Say you don't like the color you changed, but can't recall what the default color was or how to get it. With the text still selected, simply click the Automatic button, and it will revert the color to the default color coming from your design. We also know people need a way to copy the hex code for specific colors. To do this, just hover over the color, move your mouse onto the hex code, and click. Now that hex code has been copied to your clipboard, and you can paste it anywhere you need to. So that's it. Now you are fully up to speed with all of the enhancements in our Color Selector. And don't forget to make your changes live, click Publish Changes, and you're done. I hope you've enjoyed watching this how-to video. Check out more how-to videos by accessing the Need Help section in Website Manager. Thanks for watching.